So let's get ready for workouts. Get ready for workouts with me. Most people don't know that you should eat before your workouts. You need some type of energy to burn, okay? But there are times when y'all don't know this song? Every time. Too young for me. But anyway, there are times where I don't feel like eating in the morning, but it's required to have some type of energy for your workout, right? So I use my Refuel protein vanilla milkshake in the mornings. Okay. All right. I don't have a blender, so I just have like a regular water bottle. And I know that's something I need to invest in. Okay, so it don't smell too. It don't smell too safe. What is that? Let's see. Oh, okay. We'll pray over it, baby, because we gotta go to workouts this morning. Make sure you do this at least 30 minutes or 20 minutes before your workout so that everything can, you know, settle down. And this is how big the cup is that you're gonna get. The protein powder is really fine. Really fine. Salt Bay. Salt Bay. And I just gang put it in there. You know, I don't use tap water because it's nasty. Well, since we've been going on boiling water notices, we've been more cautious with water. I don't have the bigger water bottle, so this is what I'm going to use to fill up this, okay? Let's see how this works. Oh, bullshit. All right, so now we do a taste test, because I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if I put enough water or not. So I'm gonna shake it up. It's through. And we're gonna taste it. Y'all, this is really good. It's perfect. Oh my gosh. This taste is amazing. My legal link will be down in the bio for the protein shake. It helps out a lot. It's not too heavy. When you work out, you still burn the same amount of calories. It's not adding on anything. It consists of 22 grams of protein, and it gives you endurance, strength, health, and recovery. Excuse my nails. If you're not gonna pay for them, don't talk about them, okay? I forgot to put the spoon back in there while I'm over here talking shit. Make sure you put the spoon back in there, all right? Okay, so what most people don't know is that, well, for me, preferably, I do not like to drink Gatorades during my workout, simply because it has a lot of sugar in it. And if you notice that when you do drink Gatorades while you're working out, you tend to get a cramp, or you tend to get cramps in your stomach, you tend to get cramps in your legs, or whatever workout you're doing, you tend to get very, very fatigued, and that's because of the sugar, okay? So if you need something to recharge you, here is what I use for my pre-workout. This is the blue raspberry flavor, and I also take a sip of it before I go to workouts and stuff, and before I start to work. So I forgot what's the thing that you use for like oils and stuff? Is it a funnel? I think it's a funnel. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I tried to find a smaller one, but I found this one instead. So, it's also in a powder form, and it comes in a little bitty cup. It's so cute. And I use these two. Wait a minute. We're gonna do this like that. Oh, science experiment. So, I don't know when you saw before, when I drank the water before I put it in here. That's because when I use this part tends to get wet. And if this parts get wet on a powdered substance, it turns into a solid. And the rest of the product cannot get through, okay? So, make sure you put your cup back in there. It comes in a cute little container. And you can use this one for strength, cardio, endurance, and energy. It's way better than Gatorades, and to each his own, but I get cramps when I drink Gatorades. So when you do run out of this, you don't have to drink this the whole time. Because you know sometimes too much of something good can be bad for you. And we're gonna shake it up. And do a taste test. This blue raspberry is so good. All right, so I'm drinking my protein shake 30 minutes before my workout, okay? And this is my recharge during my workouts. Always drink in between workouts. Just take a sip so you can stay hydrated. After you run out of this, you can go and get you a regular bottle of water, hydrate yourself after your workouts. Do not stretch before workouts. Warm up, okay? Warm up. You do not stretch before workouts. You stretch after workouts. You warm up before workouts and stretch after, okay? So on my next video, I will be showing you all some at-home videos that you can do since it's cold outside, or if you don't have a gym membership, I can show you how to get started. Just a few simple exercises that can get you started with your ab workouts, your butt workouts, or even working out your arms and your chest. So stay tuned and subscribe for more. All of these products will be down in the description box below. And if you purchase from me, you can get a 15% off discount code. Okay? Talk to y'all later. Let's go work out.